The market theme: Wall Street cheers as Donald Trump extends the ceasefire, saying it will continue until Iran and Pakistan present a unified proposal. But back home, the Nifty 50 remains on edge. Blame Nifty's underperformance on rising crude oil, with WTI crude oil back above $92 per barrel, reviving inflation and macro worries. Our call of the day: Nifty may trade with wild swings and most probably with negative bias as investors walk a tightrope between easing geopolitical tensions and lingering uncertainty around the Strait of Hormuz. Long story short, global optimism shines, but local worries weigh. Market trends: the global cues are positive. In yesterday's negative session, both FIIs and DIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2,078 crores, Rs 1048 crores respectively. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals indicate overbought technical conditions, hence profit booking is likely. F&O April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 18.30 levels. At last check, USD INR, April, was trading near 93.79 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th April, is at 0.96 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.02. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.95. Midcap Nifty is at 1.10. Nifty outlook: the road ahead remains volatile and headline-driven. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,378. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 24,301 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,300 and 24,600. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Sensex, CMP 78,516. Biggest make break support is placed only at 76,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 79,500 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 78,000 to 79,100. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,124. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 55,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,700 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 56,700 and 57,700. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty's optimism crumbled as lingering geopolitical uncertainty kept bears in command. The 7 key sentiment dampener. 1. The Indian rupee remains under pressure, weakening toward 93.80 USD, keeping currency concerns on the front pages. 2. Relentless FII selling continues to haunt Dalal Street, with FIIs reportedly offloading nearly 44,282 crore rupees in April trade. 3. Inflation likely picked up, making RBI's and Fed's job harder. 4. The conflict with Iran shows no signs of easing. 5. Technically speaking, the Nifty 50 is trading well below its 200 and 100-day moving averages, indicating a weak near-term trend. 6. The credit rating agency, Moody, has lowered India's FY27 GDP growth forecast to 6% from 6.8%. 7. SkyMed projecting a below-normal monsoon, 94% of LPA, for 2026, with a likely El Nano impact in the latter half of the season. Stocks in spotlight. Key Q4 earnings to trickle in. Thursday, 23rd April: Infosys, Tata Capital, Eltim, IEX. Friday, 24th April: Atul, Chennai Petroleum, Mandem Financials, Lanti Financial, Canfin Homes, Indusint Bank, Reliance Industries, Shriram Finance, MRPL. 2. HCL Technologies, minus 10.74%, 1,286 rupees. HCL Technologies stumbled after a Q4 miss and cautious FY27 guidance, 4% growth, citing weak discretionary spending and client-specific headwinds. 3. Larsen & Toubro, minus 1.46%, 4,016 rupees. Larsen & Toubro slipped despite announcing a major green ammonia supply pact. Its arm, Lanti Energy Greentech, has partnered with Itochu Corporation to supply 300,000 tons per annum of green ammonia from Kandla, Gujarat on a long-term take-or-pay basis.